Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Well, welcome to Sissarella world. Ah, it's snow. What do you think of your first day of snow?
Look at this. Hey, what do we do on snowy days? Cold nights.
We drink cacao to keep warm, and look at our whole neighborhood.
It's coming down.
What do you
Look
think?
at that.
What do you think?
We've got, how deep do you think we got, Sissy? Look how much snow we have.
Let me use my foot. Look how deep it is.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. First snowstorm.
Look up, Mom.
Now, I want to take a picture of our first snowstorm. Yes. Aww.
So look up, Mom. It's snowing still.
Yeah, it's coming down.
Wow, that's pretty when you shined it up.
Wow.
What do you think?
Let's go ahead. Get our cocoa.
I hope you like my videos.